To do a half double crochet, you need to start off by doing a slip knot. If you need a review on how to do a slip knot, please go back to my previous video and watch it again. I am going to do 10 chain stitches. Again, if you need review on how to do chain stitches, please go back to my previous videos and to just review and rewatch it. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. From there, I am going to chain an additional 2. So 1, 2, and to do a half double crochet, you are going to basically do a double crochet, but it's going to be slightly different. You're going to do yarn over, and in the third chain from your hook, so 1, 2, 3, you're going to take your crochet hook, push it through the middle of the third chain, grab the yarn and pull it through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to go yarn over, and instead of going through only 2 loops, you're going to go through all 3. So there, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, just like that. Again, you're going to go yarn over, take your crochet hook and push it through the middle of the chain stitch, grab the yarn with your hook and pull it through. Now you have 3. You're going to go yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Excellent. One more time. Yarn over, push through the chain stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Keep going until the end of the row. Alright, you've completed your first row of half double crochet. To do a second row, you're going to do chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work so you're facing the wrong side, and same thing as the last couple videos, you're going to find that hole underneath the V. You're going to do yarn over, push your crochet hook underneath the V, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, push through underneath the V, underneath the braid, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. One more time, yarn over, push through, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 3. I will say with the half double crochet, you'll see like there's this like weird looking braid on the back here, which is different from the double crochet. I got a little sample here. So see, with the double crochet, has a different kind of backing. With the half double crochet, you want to go through the middle of the chain, like it looks like a chain stitch. So take your crochet hook and put it through the middle of that crochet, of that chain stitch, just like that. And then you go and finish the row. And there you go. At 10 stitches, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you just did the half double crochet. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, happy crafting!